Hello children, my today's topic is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verb. We have learnt in class 2 also, but today I want to explain you the use of auxiliary verb, that is in present form as well as in past form. So here are some auxiliary verb. Is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, been, be, being, do, does, did, shall, should, can, could, will, would, may, might, must, dare, need, ought. So with this helping verb, we can frame many sentences. So let us go through the next step. My next step is, see what I have written, today and yesterday. Today means present and yesterday means past. Today is, am, are, and yesterday was and were. So let us go through some examples I have given for you. Simple sentences we can frame with auxiliary verb. We can frame negative sentences as well as we can frame questions. So some examples are there. Let us learn. Today, present, today dash Sunday. Today is Sunday. Then one picture is there. You can see the child is fine and saying that I am fine. I am fine. Am is auxiliary verb. Here, children are happy. Children are happy. Now negative sentence means we have to use not. Negative sentence means we have to use not. Not is used with helping verb. Not is used with helping verb. Always you remember that along with helping verb, not is used. Here helping verb is. Today is not Sunday. Here I, helping verb will come am. I am not fine. That means you are changing the sentences into negative. Here, children are not happy. You are using not here. That means children are is helping verb. We must know that we must always use not or negative word along with helping verb only. Now our third step is questions. How will you frame questions? So it is very easy that I have written helping verb will come before subject. That means here I have written dash today Sunday. Today, first we wrote that today is Sunday. Here is will come in front of subject. Today is subject. That means is today Sunday? We wrote in positive sentence, in simple sentence, I am fine. You have to take am and place it in front of I. Am I fine? In the same way, we wrote children are happy. And how shall we make the question? It is very easy. Children are happy. We have to take are helping verb in front of children and we can make are children happy. In this way, we can frame which type of sentences? Simple sentence. See, simple sentence, negative sentences as well as questions. Here comes yesterday. Yesterday means past. बीता हुआ कल. बीता हुआ कल. Yesterday मैं absent था. Yesterday I was absent. You can see the door closed. Okay. The door was closed. So children were very tired, so they were sitting. So children were tired. Many children were there. So what will you write? Children were. The door was one. I am one. I was absent. In this way you have to change the sentence into negative also. So in the same way, after helping verb you have to add not. Always not comes with helping verb. Here after or with, you have to use helping verb. Yesterday I was not absent. Then the door was not closed. It is half opened. Here the children were not tired. They were looking very active. Now the questions come. helping verb will come before the subject. That means the subject is the children's subject and the rest is predicate. That I will explain you in the next. So, I absent yesterday. What you have written? I was absent. I was absent. In the simple sentence, I was absent. In the negative sentence, I was not absent. But in question word, your was will come in front of subject. That is I. Was I absent yesterday? क्या मैं absent था बीते हुए कल? Was the door closed? क्या दरवाज़ा बंद थी? Then the children tired. Were the children tired? I think it is very much clear to you that we can frame different types of sentences using helping verb, and I have used here is MR in the form of today and was and were in the form of yesterday. Here today three types of sentences I have prepared, that is negative, that is next is an interrogative, and simple sentences, negative and interrogative. In the same way, in the past also simple sentences, negative and interrogative. So I think you have understood. You will frame your own sentences using all such words as I explained you.